Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD High Country. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe down below to see more content, and let's jump right into it. So first things first, we'll start off with the key. You have the lock, unlock, remote start, tailgate, and panic button features. As you can see up front here, we have the LED accented headlights. Black Chevrolet bow tie up front. You can also see the camera right below that for the surround vision. You have two chrome tow hooks up front. You can also see your parking sensors, which are those little dots all the way across the front end. You have these 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Goodyear Wrangler tires. You can also see we do have the twin tube Rancho shocks for added comfort. This one also does have the blacked out High Country badging, which gives it a really good look. It's got the 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel with the 10-speed automatic Allison transmission. On the High Country, you can see you have your chrome accents around the door handles, around the side, around the mirror caps, and around the windows as well. Cool thing about this one is it has the automatic running boards. So when you open up the door, those will come right out for you so you can step inside. And when you close it, they'll fold back up. You also do have a step on the side, so you can step up into the bed, get to your toolbox, whatever you need to get to back there. Same 20-inch wheels on the back. We also do have a single exhaust tip, spare tire underneath. Same suspension setup in the back. You have the twin tube Rancho shocks. More parking sensors in the back. You also do have your towing hookup. You have the hookup for the cameras, so you can have an inside the trailer camera, and you can also have an outside the trailer camera. Below that, we have a 6-pin connector. You can also get that spare tire out by unlocking this with a key and using the tool to wind it down. Everything on this truck is blacked out, so we have the blacked out High Country, blacked out Silverado, and the blacked out Chevrolet stamped logo. Standard tailgate on this one, so it comes down nice and easy. Inside of here, you can see we have a spray and bed liner. We also do have a 4-pin and 6-pin connector for your trailer. Cargo tie downs all the way around. High Country stamped logo in the bed liner. We have the holes right there for your gooseneck. And we also do have a 120-volt outlet. Tailgate will also go back up power by either pressing the button or using the key. You also do have your diesel exhaust fluid fill up as well as your diesel fill up. It says ultra low sulfur diesel fuel only. Try and say that 5 times fast. I can't do it, obviously. Inside of here, we have the wood grain trim on the doors. Nice silver aluminum trim as well. Nice soft leather on the doors as well. Tons of storage space. You can also fold the seats up if you need more. As you can see right there, we also do have some under the seat storage. Some kind of bag right here. Sleeve for the tow hitch. And this is the tool to get your spare tire out. You can also fold these seats back down. As you can see in the High Country, we have the nice brown accented seats with the premium leather, storage behind the seats as well. And you also do have a couple cup holders in the center here. But we'll go ahead and hop inside. So tons of room inside of here. Tons of headroom as well. And we have storage behind the driver and passenger side. 2 AC vents, 2 phone hookups, and we do have heated seats in the rear. You can seat 3 people back here comfortably. Tons of space. Really nice place to sit at. We'll go ahead and move up front. Bose audio all the way around. More storage space inside the driver door. We also do have automatic driver and passenger windows. You can also fold in the side mirrors with that button. This one right here. You can fold them back out. And with the center button right here, you can also slide them out if you're towing a really big trailer and you need extra visibility. Lock, unlock, we do have 2 different memory seat settings with an exit setting as well. Same seat setup up here. High country stitching right there in the headrest. You can also adjust the seat forwards, backwards. You can move the bottom portion up and down. Move the whole seat down and up. You can also tilt it backwards and you can tilt it forwards. This right here is for your lumbar, so that little support right there for your back, you can adjust that. But let's go ahead and hop inside, take a look at everything. As soon as you hop in, you can see you have these graphics displayed on both the screens. That way you know you're hopping inside a high country. So to start it up, we'll just put our foot on the brake, hit the start button right there, and she comes to life. So first things first, we'll start off with the steering wheel. We have a heated steering wheel. We also do have forward collision controls. You have a 3-car, 2-car, and 1-car gap adjust. All of our cruise control buttons right here on one side. We also do have our hands-free voice commands, and we can end our calls. We can control this center screen right here. With these controls, you can go enter, up, down, left, and right. Speaking of the center screen, you can see what drive mode we're in. Right now we're in 2-wheel drive in normal mode. We have 237 miles of range. This vehicle has 328 miles on it. And we also do have our different information right here. So we can see our speedometer, drive summary, trip summary, timer, tire pressure, driver assistance, oil life, brake pad life, air filter life, fuel filter life, diesel exhaust fluid, and a blank page. We can also move over to our audio, navigation, phone, and settings menu. We also do have different display layouts. So we have classic, we have progressive, we have digital, and we have clean. We also do have our different drive modes that I was speaking about earlier. We have auto, 4 high, 2 high, and 4 low. We also do have a tow haul mode that we can activate by pushing this button right here. You can move to your different modes by pushing this left or right. So on this one, we have off-road and normal mode. Those are the 2 drive modes for this one. We have an electronic parking brake that you can activate by putting your foot on the brake, hitting the button, and you'll know it's on when you see that red park display right there. You can also cut it off the same way with your foot on the brake, push the button, and it comes off. Behind the steering wheel, we have 2 different paddles to move up and down through your music, and we can also turn the volume up and down as well. All of our different light controls right here. We also do have heads-up display, as you can see right there. We can adjust the brightness up or down, change the information, and move it up or down. So as you can see, that's the heads-up display. We have the driver assistance page, we have our navigation page, we have our off-road page, and we have the normal page. Shifter is right behind the steering wheel, so we can put it in reverse, neutral, drive, and L mode. Now if you're in L mode, you can shift gears by pressing down or up on the steering column right here. And while we're in reverse, you can see all of our cameras, so we have a full 360-degree view. You can see behind you, in front of you. You have a zoomed in view of the front, zoomed in the back. You can see your back wheels, your front wheels, and you can also see the tow hitch back there. There also is another page where you can see inside the bed, where you can see your 5th wheel and everything you have back there. Speaking of the screen, let's go ahead and navigate through all this stuff since it's in dealer mode. We have our audio tab, which is your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, as you can see there. We also do have Google Maps, our phones, all of our cameras that I just showed you, Google Assistant, Google Play Store, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. We also have trailering, climate, settings, Wi-Fi hotspot, all of these apps down here as well. We do have a little bit of storage behind the screen, as you can see right there. Moving down, we can adjust our volume down or up. We can also cut off or on, and we have a home button as well. We do have our exhaust brake, lane keep assist, parking sensors. We can drop the tailgate in the back, hazards, traction, hill descent, all that stuff is right there. We also do have our trailer brake controller. As you can see right there, you can turn that up or down. Heated and cooled seats on the driver and passenger side. We do have dual zone climate, so the passenger side can be different from the driver's side, as you can see there. You can cut your AC off or on, turn it up or down. All of your controls in one place right there, as well as a couple phone chargers. Tons of storage space right here on the top, a couple cup holders. We also do have a little bit of storage on the sides as well. High Country logo stamped into the center console right here. You do have a wireless phone charger, 3-prong charger, couple phone hookups right there, cubby that comes out as well, and a super deep center console. Speaking of storage space, we have 2 glove boxes, so you have one up top and one at the bottom for tons of utility. But really nice interior. As you can see, we have wood grain all the way around, aluminum accents, gives it a nice premium feel. We also do have this nice soft leather on the driver, passenger, and rear seats. Super nice design. We also do have our rear view mirror, which can turn into a camera by flipping it up, and you can turn it off the same way. You do have a few different adjustments for the mirror, so you can turn the brightness up or down, zoom in or out, and you can also move it down or up. We have our OnStar buttons right here, 2 different map lights. We have our controls for the sunroof, so you can open that by pressing this button. You can also close it back by pressing the bottom. You also do have a manual sunshade that you can slide forwards or backwards, and you can also tilt the sunroof up just like that or back down. You can slide that sliding rear glass window just like that. And we also do have 3 different garage door openers. So that's pretty much it for the whole interior. Let's go ahead and take a look at the outside. Make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the HD High Country. Would you rather have this or the HD Denali version? This one looks really good with all the blacked out accents, the chrome accents as well. Gives it a nice, clean, classic look, as you can see right here. But make sure you guys let me know down in the comments below. I'll also show you guys the window sticker as well. So, like I said, this one is a 2024 Silverado 2500 HD High Country 4-wheel drive. Black on black with the Duramax 6.6 liter turbo diesel motor, 10-speed Allison transmission, and standard price of this vehicle is $72,000. This one has all of these packages on it, including the diesel, with destination charge and everything. This one is $89,725. So here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause it and take a look at it. But as always, if you're still here to the end, I appreciate it very greatly. Thank you for sticking it out. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe down below to see more content. And you'll also see a few different videos in the corners. So in the top portions around here, you'll see different videos. So if those look appealing to you, make sure to click on them and check them out. But that's it for now. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day.